In the world of manufacturing, every minute counts. Any disruption to the production line can cause a ripple effect that can impact the entire supply chain. That's why companies are turning to digital twins to help them streamline their operations. A digital twin is a virtual replica of a physical asset or process. It allows manufacturers to simulate, monitor, and optimize their operations in real time. But not all digital twin solutions are created equal. That's where XMPro and Dell come in. XMPro is the world's only no-code digital twin composition platform, enabling manufacturers to rapidly build and deploy digital twin models. The solution includes several powerful components to streamline the process. The XMPro Data Stream Designer is a powerful drag-and-drop tool that enables manufacturers to create data models and integrate diverse data from a wide range of sources. This tool allows manufacturers to create accurate and comprehensive digital twin models that reflect the complex interdependencies between machines and processes on the factory floor. The XMPro App Designer is a no-code development tool that enables manufacturers to build custom applications that can be used to interact with digital twin models. These applications can be used to monitor and control the manufacturing process and to provide real-time feedback on performance. The XMPro Recommendation Engine provides insights and recommendations for effective and prescriptive action. By providing data-driven recommendations, manufacturers can make informed decisions to improve efficiency and reduce downtime. By deploying XMPro's solution on Dell hardware, manufacturers can ensure their digital twins are running on a reliable and secure platform. Dell's hardware provides the computing power and storage capacity needed to run complex digital twin models and perform real-time analytics. The XMPro Common Operating Picture powered by Dell provides a single view of the manufacturing process, integrating all the data from different sources into a unified event board. This feature provides real-time visibility of the manufacturing process, enabling manufacturers to identify and react to potential issues before they occur. By deploying XMPro's edge-based digital twin solution on Dell's edge hardware, manufacturers can now bring the power of digital twin technology closer to the source of their data, executing the demands of real-time data processing and analytics. Dell's edge hardware provides the computing power and storage capacity needed to support complex digital twin models and perform real-time analytics. By leveraging XMPro's edge-based digital twin edge solution on Dell hardware, manufacturers can optimize their operations, reduce downtime, and stay ahead of the competition. With the power of edge computing and digital twin technology, manufacturers can achieve greater operational efficiency and improved productivity. Start building your first XMPro digital twin today.